Okay. Oh, so beautiful. Okay, so I videoed that and that the first time, and that furthest one over there a while ago. Now this is called Bob's Carriage House. It's right by the main house. Okay. More front porch. Okay. So I went online to book it. It's a minimum of 2 nights, just one of the cabins, one of the small ones to stay in tonight. And because it's winter, it was $500. And I called the list agent and let him know, and he said his dad is going to take care of it. So take care of, basically let me stay here with my girlfriends for 2 nights, which I'm only staying 1 night. So, and that's nice of him. It's not like it's rented anyway. But this is cute. So I asked what the biggest thing for us is not the way it looks. Yes, it looks great. But the age of each roof and each HVAC. And if I'm not mistaken, I know that one's a metal roof. If they're metal, you know, that's more longevity. But, gosh, it's so beautiful. I think this could be your man cave, woman cave. It could be your dog house. When you want to get away, you can hide. They would never know. Your family would never know where you're at. Little closet. And washer dryer. Okay. All right. We're going to go back in the living room. And because I'm coming back out here, I'll be able to send these to you. And then if you have any questions, we can talk about it because I'll be back out here. So living room, you know, it's all one little room. It's cute, cute, cute. Okay.